Hello, my name is Eli Waugh, and today I will be telling you a little bit about my Vision Tech project. So, in my previous projects, I've never built anything. So I decided that's what I was in a couple of days, and I decided that I wanted to build an LED flashlight. I had no prior any experience in wiring or LEDs or anything like that, but I did have a little bit of knowledge of 3D printing. So I told myself I would build a flashlight, and then I would print the body, the casing shell, whatever you want to call it. So first, I had to watch a bunch of tutorials. Just like I did it for about a week. I learned about resistors, and I learned about certain LEDs, and I learned about certain batteries and their outputs, and what you need to do to get an LED wired, and what you need to do to get it lit up. So after a couple of days of that, I finally got my hands on a breadboard and I got started. It took a little bit of time, but I finally got a working circuit. Um, yes. So then it was all about building the body. I had no idea what kind of frame, shape, size I wanted. So what I did was I measured the breadboard and the 9-volt battery that I used as a power source, and I made this shell for it. So how it works is the breadboard sits in here, and the power and the ground come out from these slits, and they go into here where the 9-volt battery is placed. And I have a little 9-volt clip, and it clips on, and the LEDs inside on the breadboard light up. I had a few struggles with getting the measurements aligned correctly, so that's when I had to use another program called MeshLab. This program right here is 123D Design. So I went to MeshLab and I had to watch more tutorials, and I learned how to size things differently, how to measure them, how to expand, retract, all sorts of things. So then this is MeshLab right here. So I threw it into MeshLab, I adjusted the sizes, and then I exported it as an STL file, and I re-entered it into 123D Design. And then what I did was double click to here, and then I have scale, and you can make it as big or as small as you want it to be. So that's what I did to print my shell. So once I had my shell printed and I had my LED breadboard flashlight together, I was able to put it all together in one uh, project. So here are my finished model. Right here you can see the 9-volt battery, the battery clip, the power, the ground. Here it is unplugged. You can see the LEDs right down the middle. You can see the cords connected to the power and the resistor. There's a resistor there. Here's another angle of it. So yes, that is my project. I built an LED flashlight and I 3D printed a shell for it. My advice would be to, for sure, know your dimensions and know the thickness of your print. That's one of my main flaws. Is it's really thin. So make sure it's thick enough that it's sturdy. So there is my project. I hope you learned something and have a good day.